Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Stephanie Woost, Head of MINI, and Mr. Oliver Hermer, Head of MINI Design.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is, our all-new, all-electric MINI Aceman. Thank you. I'm so happy to be joined by you, Oliver. Tell us, what inspired you to design the new MINI Aceman?
Well, Stephanie, actually, the MINI brand is already inspiring by its very core. And why? Because it kind of really combines the past with the future. And actually, the fact that we got the chance to create an entirely new MINI model really inspired us to create something that is, or a character that is really genuine and independent. In the design team, then, we kind of tried to realize what's the character exactly, and based on that, we used all our experience, all the expertise and different character personalities to create something that is truly unique.
So the interior really impresses me. There's so much to see there. I love the interaction between the new reclaimed materials, so the touch, and also the unique digital experience. So tell us more about that.
Actually, Stephanie, here our new design language, charismatic simplicity, really goes live. Why? Because actually this means that it's a holistic approach that includes light, sound, colors, materials, and our new user interface. And all in all, this creates kind of a really warm and modern atmosphere. But there's actually two elements I would like to point out. First, the passengers are sitting slightly elevated, so the dashboard is more upright, more present. And secondly, you will find a unique color material concept.
Great. So despite all its uniqueness, what makes the Aceman a real MINI?
Well, actually, the Aceman has a really confident personality with bold lines, muscular surfaces and proportions, typical crossover, making a statement wherever it is, while keeping this kind of MINI uniqueness being still undeniably MINI. And actually, that means it has typically MINI, the right proportions, short overhangs, big wheels in the corners, and a three-way division with the contrast roof, the greenhouse, and the body. And to really round it up, and Jochen, you mentioned it, with the MINI Aceman, we really believe that MINI has become more MINI than ever before.
Thank you, Oliver. Your attention to detail and creative vision have truly brought the Aceman to life in a way that captures the very essence of MINI. I'm confident. well done. I'm confident that your work will resonate with the MINI enthusiasts worldwide. And again, well done, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Stephanie.
Well, in terms of size, the new MINI Aceman sits in between the iconic MINI Cooper and the very versatile MINI Countryman. The Aceman brings a new level of excitement to our all-electric lineup, packed with a truly enjoyable, immersive digital experience. It is perfect for navigating crowded city streets while maintaining the versatility and functionality of a crossover. Its smaller footprint, paired with a spacious interior, accommodating 5 passengers, offers a unique proposition to our customers. The MINI Aceman will be available in 2 different flavors. The MINI Aceman SE is powered by a 218 electric horsepower with 330 Newton-meters of torque. And the MINI Aceman E offers an output of 184 horsepower and 290 Newton-meters of torque. I'm certain that the sleek design, the performance, and the versatility as a 5-seater crossover will make the MINI Aceman a resounding success.